When we were planning this barn, my wife and I talked about lighting more than almost anything else. We weren't just making it bright, we were trying to create a mood. A space where we could slow down, where we could relax, and where movie nights felt inviting. Dimmable lights and a few lamps change everything. They make the space feel warm. I've worked with Lumary on a few projects now, and their lights just fit the way that I build. They're simple to install, flexible, and adaptable to whatever the space needs. From the start, I knew they were the right choice for this barn, so I reached out to them and they were kind enough to send me these lights. What mattered most for us was that they were flexible, multiple color temperatures, a recessed look, and they have the ability to pivot on a gimbal. Right now, this room is all about relaxing with friends, but this is a large space and who knows what the future holds. So the ability to be able to change these lights without having to install new lights is one of the biggest selling points for me. Lumary is looking to work with more creators in 2026, and I can see why. These lights are just easy to work with, and they just make this whole room feel complete. Now, I'm no electrician, and I'm not going to walk through all the details of installing these lights, but with that said, I will say installing these is easy. Once I had all of my wires hooked up, I could wind them up and stuff them inside this box that comes with each light. From the box, there's another wire coming out of it that you can just plug directly into the light. Then with these clips, they set right up into the hole in your ceiling. Once everything was installed, dialing in the lights is where it all comes together. You can link all of these lights to your Wi-Fi and just open them up on the app in your phone and adjust each one individually. Once I had them all set to how I like them, I linked them to my remote control that Lumary also sends with these lights. And the remote control makes it easy to adjust all of the lights at once, or like I said, you can go into your phone and adjust them all differently. Which is great for a room this big where I might want to have some lights on in the back, but I want it to be dark where we're sitting and watching a movie. Lighting is one of those things that you don't always think about, but you should always plan to make it the right kind of lighting for the right kind of room. Big thanks to Lumary for continuing to support this channel and continuing to make a well-made product. I'll put a link down below where you guys can go check out their products or reach out to them as a collaborator that they might want to work with in 2026. All right, see you in the next one. Later, dudes. Bye.